How to ask questions manually on QANDA. First of all, open the app and make sure you are logged in. Next, tap on the message icon button, usually located at the bottom of the home screen. Now enter your question clearly in the text box, making sure to include all important details or numbers so QANDA can provide an accurate solution. After typing your question, select a subject or category that matches your question such as math, science or language. Then tap on submit or ask to send your question. Within a moment, you will receive step-by-step solution, explanation or relevant answers based on the question you typed. You can also review the solution, save it for later, or ask a follow-up question if something is unclear. Now you know how to ask questions manually. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more study tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.